welcome to my YouTube channel about all things. Today I am going to share with you some basic concept of sequence. Some basic concept of sequence. What is sequence? And what do you mean by the sequence? What is the functions? What is mapping? And what is the difference between sequence and functions and mapping? And do you know that mapping and functions is similar things, but sequence and function is not similar things. Similar, but this is not same thing. And do you know that what is the difference between similar and same? So today I am going to share with you some basic concept of sequence. So let's start. What is the definition of sequence? The definition of sequence is a mapping or functions if natural number to real number is said to be a sequence in real number. This is the definition of sequence. And do you know that what is the definition of functions? Function may be a to b, a to r. Functions may be any kinds of pre-image set, right? But did you notice that here natural number to real number is a particular case. Sequence is a particular case. That notice that sequence is a special type of functions or mapping. So that's why I am telling you that sequence is a special type of functions. Sequence is a special type of functions. Do you know that f of these functions a to real number, a may be integer, also be rational number or real number, or also be natural number, but this point of sets to relate to another real number set, this is called the sequence. This is the difference between sequence and functions. This is the main thing and main fundamental thing. What is the difference between sequence and functions? But do you know that whenever I would like to tell you that a functions natural number to real number connectivity, a point from natural number to connect with the element of real number, that's a relation, that's a functions, that a mapping, that called a sequence. Here 1 2 3 elements, here 5 4 6 7 8 9 another else 1. So 1 relate to 5, 2 relate to 4, but you notice that 0 is not connected with someone else in real number, because 0 does not belongs to natural number, right? 0 does not belongs to natural number. That's why 0 any time cannot be related to real number. So 0 is not a pre-image point for the sequence, unique sequence, but this is for all of sequence. And you know what the definition is said to be, that a mapping or functions if natural number to real number is said to be a sequence in real number. So some examples clear all the concept of sequence. First of all, sequence if natural number to real number denoted by f of n such that f of n equal to n, and also be n belongs to natural number. You know what, that natural numbers points n be the come from natural number to real number, so n belongs to natural number. That means n choose many way, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and etc. and so on. So natural number point 1, f of 1 n equal to 1, then f of 1 equal to 1. That means the range set is 1 2 3 4 5 etc. and going on. Okay, but whenever f of n equal to n square, that also be a range set, 1 square 2 square 3 square and so on, right? And also be f of n equal to a constant sequence. choose anything, right? Right, 2, so 2 comma 2 comma 2, that also be a key, I mean constant sequence, right? So this is the example of sequence. Did you notice 1 2 3 4? That means 1 add, and also we add 1, then you get next one, and 2 add 1, then you get next one, and also be going on in a process. I mean something where anyone say that you are going to a sequentially process, or you are going to a right process, that also be a definition of sequence. You whenever your friend going to a road and you follow him in a way, that means he going turn right and you also be right, that also be a key, that also be a right process and also be a sequence. This is the fundamental concept of sequence and also be the functions. So please, if you helps this video for you, then please like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and coming back with new video with all of you. And